Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So basically how to add or remove it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Of course, under it we've got whole Google section, and you can manage Google account using it, obviously, but I personally prefer to do it using users and accounts. So let me tap on it, and here, as you can see, we've got our previously added Google account. So let's begin this whole operation with removing the account. Of course, you can add plenty of them, so you can have like 3 or 4 different accounts added. You do not have to remove it before adding new one, but I will do it. So let's simply tap on it and tap on the 3 that's icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on remove account. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on remove account, tap on OK. If you've got the pattern pin or password, then I don't want to use the... Okay, let me pick the password. So you have to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the account will be immediately removed. So now we can add new one. Just tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. I've got it saved, so let me just tap on it, but a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. After tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got, we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.